I'm going to be unboxing the Popcorn Bass X8 Pro, which is a pretty interesting set of earphones right here. These pretty much cost around $4 or around 200 pesos. So let's get straight into the unboxing right here. So I guess just gotta do that right there. There we go. So now it's unsealed, ready to be unboxed. I really like the packaging here for a budget pair of earphones. This is pretty impressive. So this is the transparent black and also has a mic. You can see it says right here in the packaging, enhanced space, ergonomic fit design, and detachable audio cable. That's one of the biggest features of these earphones, is because basically the earphones themselves, you can detach the audio cable, so you can replace them if they get damaged, and basically makes it more durable. And by the way, it also includes a little pouch right here, which I really appreciate. You can see you can put the cable here, or the earphones. It's really nice. I like that they included this. But let's get straight into the unboxing here. So you can see, just slide that out, and here they are. We'll take this out just like that. So as you can see, these are the earphones themselves. Take these out like that. Really interesting design here. Wow. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll try to zoom in. So as you can see, you can actually take a peek at the little components right there inside. Very cool design. It says right here, Popcorn. This is the right earphone. This is the left one. And the tips themselves, they also have, they also include extra tips. We have this extra one, another little bag here, this little pouch. It's really high quality as well for the price. This is basically the cable itself. It also has a 90-degree connector, which I really like. Haven't used one of these in a while. And you also have these extra tips and a clip if you want to use that as well. And let's actually test these out. And by the way, this cable was pretty much made like this, so it's supposed to be more durable. I mean, I hope that's actually true. But I like the design here. It's also curves like that because it's how it's gonna go into your ears. So pretty long cable here, not gonna lie. The 90-degree connector. So let's connect this now. Plug it in like that. There we go. And now I guess let's give this a shot. You know what? That's actually kind of impressive for pretty much $4. Wow, I honestly did not expect it to sound that good. So how do these actually sound? Well, I listened to some music, also watched some F1 videos, as well as listened to a podcast. And I gotta say, they actually sound really good for the price. Like, at $4, this is a really good pair of earphones. And some of its main strengths are obviously the bass. But it's not really just about that, because it actually has really good detail. Like, the mids are pretty good too. I really like that. You can still hear like voices quite clearly. Basically, sounds are really clear as well. And so these default tips are also a pretty good fit for my ears. I really like that, so I didn't have to change it. But yeah, I guess that's all for this short unboxing of the Popcorn Bass X8 Pros. Honestly, I did not expect these to sound this good, because I obviously thought that they were just going to be like a cool design, like it was going to have cool design. But apart from that, I thought that the sound was going to be just like mediocre, but this is actually not that. Like, at least for its price. For $4, this is really impressive. So I think that I would definitely recommend this to you guys. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you want to see more, you can comment down below what type of videos you want to see next. So yeah, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And that's all for this video. Stay well, my friends. Goodbye.